to open an online boutique on Shopify? If you're considering building an online store for your clothing shop right now, this video is made for you. Today I'm gonna give you a detailed guide on how to create a boutique store with Shopify from scratch. Shopify gives you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, so if you are interested in trying it out, you can click on the link in the description box below. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Well, the first step here is to choose a proper theme for your boutique shop. While it depends on your style in choosing a theme for your store, but some of the themes on the Shopify theme store are designed to fit the demand of fashion and apparel industry. So if you want to know our recommendations of which theme is suitable for boutique stores, you can read our blog with the link in the description box below. Now, I'm gonna choose the boundless theme here with this black and white style because it's a free Shopify theme and it supports sticky header, which is good for navigation, and it also lets you showcase full width collection images and support homepage video. So I will have more space to display many beautiful products images to catch people's attention. Now, in the Shopify admin panel, I will choose Boundless. And later, when I want to build my store, I'll click on Customize. Okay, let's move to the next step. Since you're selling clothing, you may have a lot of products and collections. So the second step here is to add your product and categorize them into collections on Shopify. So now let's click on products, then add product. Now you put in the title and description. And with the media here, you can add your main product images with 2 to 3 more variant images in different angles so that visitors can have an overview of your products before they decide to buy it. And the organization part here, you can put in the product type and vendor for better organizing them to different collections later. And you can add more tags here for better SEO. Now, let's set up the price, inventory, and shipping. For the variants part, you can set up the product with more options like sizes or colors. Now click Save. And your product is added in the Shopify admin dashboard. And continue adding your products here. Done. Now before I create collections for my store, I will add something to my product page, which is the size chart. Because you are not selling clothing like shirts or trousers, etc., you need to give customers size guides so that they can choose the right product size that can fit them. So I'm gonna use this avatar size charts free app here. You can find it on Shopify App Store and install it. It's very easy to use. Now, choose the preset. I'll choose women's top, for example, and click Next. Then you can edit the chart title here, change the image, text, and even customize the sizes. After that, click Next. Now you can set up the chart for all products or just specific products, or automate products, like the chart can be applied for only shirt product. Then publish it. And you need to turn this on to enable size guides. Click on Go to Campaign. Now you can check the product page to see if there is any size guides showing up. Great! You can see the chart here. For collections, you click on Products, then Collections. Then click on Create Collection. Now you put in the title, description, add image for your collection, then choose collection type. Now I'm gonna finish adding all of my collections. Finished. Great. Now let's move to step number 3. Remember the boundless theme we added in the step 1? Now it's time to customize it to build a homepage. Okay, here in the editor board, we have a lot of sections to edit to make your homepage look good. So I'm gonna briefly take you through each section. The sidebar menu is where you can edit menus for the vertical header. And when people click on this burger menu, it shows up. Next is the announcement bar. Here you announce something on top of your page about free shipping or discount events, etc. The header part here is where you can add your brand logo. Slideshow is the part where you put stunning banner images, and you can add headings and CTA buttons that can link to other pages. And you can edit the slide running time and opacity of image overlay. Next, the action bar. This is your sticky navigation bar, and you can add menus for this header. And when people scroll down the page, the bar is fixed, which is easy for them to navigate to other pages. Rich tag is where you can talk about your brand, tell your story to help visitors learn more about your shop. The front page section is to add product images of your brand or best collections that can showcase beautiful product images. Well, it's a boutique store, so people would care a lot about visuals. Next is the newsletter part. You can change the heading and subheadings. And if you want to add more sections, you can click here. And then add videos or map section. If you have a physical store, you can add it to let people know the location where they can stop by your shop. And down here is the footer menu. You can change the theme colors, font text, social media, checkout page, etc. in the theme settings here. And if you need to add custom code, you can click the link here and add the Shopify support team if you need help. Now I will finish creating my homepage. Done. As you can see, this is my homepage for boutique store. If you want to pin your Instagram images on the homepage, for example, you can use the Instagram Shop apps by SNPT. And we also have a tutorial about selling on Instagram with Shopify, so you can check out the link in the description box below. Now let me check the store in mobile version as well. Good. Let's publish it and see the live view. Cool. You can see the images with CTA buttons and collections and the drop down menu as well. Okay, let's move to the next step. Giving customers discount codes is a great marketing strategy, especially with grand opening events. So in Shopify, you can easily set up gift cards and discount codes to offer your customers for the sales events. For gift cards, we already have a tutorial about setting up gift cards in Shopify, so I put a link in the description box below. You can check out there. For discount code, in the Shopify admin dashboard, you click on Discounts, then create discount, and you choose discount code. You enter the code name here, and you can choose the type, would it be percentage or number, etc. And you put the discount value here. You can choose to apply to all products or just specific ones. Next is the requirements. If you want to set conditions like customers have to buy at least 2 products to get the discount, for example. And here you can set up the target customers to get the code. Is that for everyone or just for those who sign up for emails, newsletters, for example? And you can limit the code usage as well. And then you set the date. Then click Save. Okay, the discount is set up. Let's check with one product. Okay, when I click on buy the product to the checkout page and then enter the code, and you can see the price is changed. Good. Let's move to the final step. A pop-up is a great marketing tactic to announce your promotion events, add CTA buttons, or ask visitors for email signups. And Privy is a great app with a free plan available that can help you with creating an eye-catching pop-up. You can search for Privy in Shopify App Store, then click on Add App and install the app and sign up for Privy account, and then you will see the Privy main dashboard like this. Now, in the Convert tab, click on New Campaign. And you can choose many available campaigns here. I will choose Welcome Discount. Then you set up for coupon or trigger time and targeted audience. Then click Design. And you can edit text, button, and background images. Done. Now I click Publish. And you check the store on Shopify and you can see the pop-up like this. Visitors can turn it off and click on the Get 10% discount again to make it show up. Cool. And that's it. That's my tutorial on how to build your fantastic boutique shop on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, you can click on the thumbs up or leave a comment to discuss more. And remember to subscribe to our Pagefly YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications about latest Pagefly and Shopify tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching and see you next time.